Hey there, switching to FreshBooks and need to bring your client list with you. Importing contacts saves you from hours of manual data entry and gets you up and running fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to import them. In FreshBooks, go to the Clients section and look for the Import option. You'll download a CSV template. Fill it out with your client details, like name, email, address, and phone number, using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Save the file and upload it back to FreshBooks. The system will guide you through matching the columns in your file to the fields in FreshBooks. My crucial pro tip: clean your data before you import. Remove duplicate entries, ensure email formats are correct, and standardize address fields in your CSV file. A clean import prevents headaches later and keeps your client database organized from day one. Just like that, you've migrated your entire client roster in minutes. What's the most tedious part of switching accounting software for you? Let me know in the comments. If migration guides save you hours, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.